guys, this is Mark Jr. for Eau Claire Cleaning. We had a customer in Kennesaw. It was asking us a question, and she was going on Google, and she kept coming across the term power washing and pressure washing and wanted to know the difference. So I just wanted to explain that a little bit for you guys so you understand a little bit better. When you pressure wash and use that term, essentially what you're doing is you're using the spigot from your house and using cold water to do the pressure washing. And when you're doing power washing, you have an actual hot water heater on your unit that heats the water, which allows you to get out more hydrocarbon stains like oil and gas for you. So those are the major differences. As when you're doing a Google search and you hear those terms, that's exactly what that means. So if there's any confusion, power washing uses a hot water, and regular pressure washing uses the cold water. Now there's really, for residential use, power washing really isn't used that much, and just regular pressure washing will work just fine for most of the jobs that you have. But sometimes there's stains on your driveway that can be hard to get out, and that's where power washing would come into play. So that answers that question.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter to get more tips and see more videos. Thank you and have a good day.